The Declaration of Geneva clearly states our obligations as doctors. Notably, I solemnly pledge to consecrate my life to the service of humanity. I will give to my teachers the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of my patient will be my first consideration. This medical professionalism has served our nation well for centuries. More recently, healthcare has been turned into a political battleground with ad hoc policies that have undermined the application of medical professionalism. The intrusion of commercial interests has imposed business models that further compromise good clinical practice. The doctor now has 3 masters instead of 1, to the detriment of patients and practitioners. Too many cooks are truly spoiling the broth. The World Medical Association states that the medical profession must play a central role in regulating the conduct and professional activities of its members in the best interests of citizens. It further states that regulation requires very strong, independent professional involvement to ensure and maintain public confidence in the standards of care and ethical behaviour. AHPRA's medical board serves at the pleasure of the political system that appoints it, requiring compliance with political decisions that are often influenced by political donations and political self-interest. It is a massive machine bureaucracy far removed from the complex frontline of service delivery and can only operate using cumbersome, rigid, and often inappropriate methods to command and control practitioners. This manifests as the misdeeds of AHPRA, with such outcomes a function of its form. In 2014, Queensland doctors united in rejecting contracts that exposed them to employer demands that risked their professional independence. The national law that governs AHPRA similarly provides no useful protection for doctors who may be at the receiving end of what may be unreasonable, disproportionate, unjust, unfair, biased, prejudiced, arbitrary, capricious, vexatious, or procedurally unsound decisions. A determined and united medical profession, supported by the public, won the 2014 contract battle. In the interests of patients in our nation, it is necessary to win again. Shakespeare wrote, "There is a tide in the affairs of men, which, taken at the flood, leads on to fortune. Omitted, all the voyage of their life is bound in shallows and in miseries." Our AMPS ADF meeting on May 3 will detail the shallows and miseries, but more importantly, it must create the tide that becomes the flood that sweeps away the impediments that are denying Australia a strong, independent, self-regulating medical profession. Only unfettered professional expertise and judgment can best guide our complex health system through undoubted challenges in the service of our nation and its people. Our journey of emancipation requires enormous devotion to our profession and those who depend on us, and extraordinary unity, courage, engagement and sacrifice by every medical practitioner and medical student. We have no option other than success, not only for the Australia of today, but also the Australia of tomorrow.